In a sun-drenched glass house, a joyful chorus of anthropomorphic sunflowers buzz.
Hi there! Welcome to Masty Mates, where every bedtime is a brand new
With
adventure.
excitement, busily preparing for a delightful birthday celebration. Their vibrant yellow petals sway gently in the warm breeze, creating a dance of color as they hang brightly colored balloons, transforming their home into a festive haven. Amidst giggles and laughter, they reminisce about past parties, each story a sprinkle of joy adding to their joyful spirit. On the table, a stunning birthday cake awaits, a masterpiece shaped like a sunflower, adorned with cheerful frosting and twinkling candles, ready to shine on this special occasion. As the moment approaches, the sunflowers gather close, their voices rising in harmony as they sing a beloved birthday tune. Joy radiates throughout the glass house, glowing with warmth, love, and the sweet promise of celebration, as the sun embraces their smiles, illuminating their day in a way that's simply unforgettable.
And that is the end of tonight's story. We learned a good morale. Sweet dreams, little one. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for a brand new story next week. Parents, drop a comment below. Tell us which